In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Ionos Webmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign into your mailbox quickly and securely and what to keep in mind so you don't run into login issues later. Let's start at the very beginning. Opening the webmail page on your computer, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any modern browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top of the window, type in mail.ionos.com, all one word, and then press enter. This will take you directly to the Ionos Webmail login page, which is where you'll access your email online. Once the page loads, you'll see a login form asking for your email address and password. In the email field, enter your full email address exactly as it was set up in your Ionos account. That means including everything before and after the AT symbol, including your domain. For example, if your address is info@yourdomain.com, make sure you type that full address. Be careful with spelling here because even a small typo can prevent you from signing in. Next, move to the password field. Type the password you created when you first set up the mailbox in your Ionos account. This is the mailbox password, not necessarily the same as your main account password unless you chose to make them identical. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check that your caps lock key is not turned on accidentally and that you're using the correct combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if your password includes them. If you try to log in and see an error, the most common causes are a mistyped email address or password. Take a moment to re-enter both fields slowly. If you still can't get in, you may need to use the password reset option provided by Ionos, but only do this if you're sure you've forgotten the correct password. Before you click the sign in button, you'll notice an option labeled Stay Signed In or Stay Logged In. This can be very convenient, but it's important to use it correctly. If you are on your personal laptop or a device that only you use and that is protected by a password or other screen lock, you can safely check this box. When you do, Ionos will store a cookie in your browser that keeps you signed in for up to 30 days, so you won't have to re-enter your password every single time you open webmail. However, if you're on a shared computer, like one at work, a school, a library, or any device that other people can access, do not check the Stay Signed In option. Leaving yourself permanently logged in on a shared device can allow others to see your messages or even send emails from your account, which is a serious privacy and security risk. Once you've entered your full email address, typed your correct password, and decided whether or not to stay signed in, go ahead and click the login or sign in button. After a moment, you'll be taken to your Ionos webmail inbox where you can read and send messages, manage folders, and organize your email. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to open the Ionos webmail page, enter your credentials properly, and use the stay signed in feature safely so you can balance convenience with security.